Welcome back to Deluxe Guitar Songs. Today we're covering Slow It Down by the Lumineers in standard tuning with a capo on the 1st fret. The first chord we have is a C. He starts off on that low E. So your ring finger's going from the low E to the A. And you're holding that C chord the whole time. So your middle finger is going down there to that G string on the 2nd fret. And then it moves up to the 2nd fret on the D string. Back down to that low E and A. Kind of walk it down. Back to that F. C, A minor, G. So he just plays this. It's like the verse. He plays it like 3 times. Walk it down. So if you hopefully you could see that F I'm making. You got the ring finger and the pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the A and the D string. You have your middle finger on your G string, 2nd fret, and your index finger on the 1st fret B string. So it's easy, C and the F are just such similar positions with your hand. It's really easy to move back and forth. And then you walk back to that C. To that A minor. A minor is just your middle finger and your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th and 4th string, or the 4th and the 3rd string, and your index finger on the 1st fret, the B string. Your middle finger on the low E string, 3rd fret, index finger on the 2nd fret of the A string, and then your ring finger and your pinky finger on the 3rd fret of the B and the E string. The chorus is just that F. Slow it down, A minor and G, come back, G to bed. So after he plays that, he goes to, he does 3 verses, a chorus, goes back into 1 more verse, does a chorus, and then he starts kind of strumming it. So after he comes back, it feels like he's just kind of going back and forth between this for a second. So he's holding that C and he's going back with his middle finger right here, I think 3 times before he goes back into. Then he's just strumming through it. Strumming through the F, C, A minor. So just listen to the song. I had to a couple times just to like kind of figure out the timing. He's really loose with that. But it's a beautiful song. It's super easy. It's fun to play. So please come back to the channel, like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time.